Okay, I wasn't as, I don't know, I was excited, but when I clicked the play, the click, the record and jump, it really hit me that we about to listen to some new stuff. I've been waiting. But hey, what's up and welcome back, my warrior brothers and sisters. This is your man, Mr. Wack, your dude, Mr. Wack, your homie, Mr. Wack. And it's finally here. Garbology is finally here. Oh my land. I've been waiting for since Jazz Hands. Hey, anyways, it don't even matter. We here. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I was about to say or what I was going to try to say. All my words kind of left me. If you do, be sure to stick around to become another warrior brother or sister. Whack that like button. Also, if you'd like to, be sure to go drop a boy follow on Twitch at twitch.tv/IAmMrWaCK. Alright, we're trying to build our Twitch community as well, and where we do gaming and stuff. But that's enough of that. We ain't here for that. We're here for this. Share, comment. Okay. Ace on the track and Blockhead on the beat. Oh my goodness, I'm jacking it up. Everything is leaving me. Hope you don't. Okay, that's enough. Yeah. Did I say share, comment? I don't even know. Oh my goodness. Click it!
Spin doc, sweet dreams go Hitchcock. Discord with no sick days. Limb straight, then all rip stop. Faded ink on my rib cage. My glass heart, my
faded ink on my rib cage. Oh, this is like an old tattoo.
Spin doc, sweet dreams go Hitchcock. Discord with no sick days. Limb straight, then all rip stop. Faded ink on my rib cage. My glass heart, my shit brains. My Jaguars around beautiful New York strip steak. Ain't shit changed. Doodle over these blueprints. Have been shoot, have been boo hissed. Chewed up, he's too much. I ain't too much, y'all too prim. World's end around curfew.
Chewed up, he's too much. I'm too much, y'all too brim.
Chewed up, he's too much, I ain't too much, y'all too prim. World's end around curfew when they rotate grotesque forms. Sneak up in some mech suit, make off with their best horse. Roads paved with pull pins.
Make out with their best horse.
With wolf piss. Engineer this tire fire, come pull up on that bullshit. I might piece out of my deep freeze and turn pale death in like 2 shakes. Swoop in and get 2 shade. Tune in my blue phase. October, I'm in bloom and that cold snap and that wing croon. Trail mix in my road pack and no roads back to this igloo. Stick him over around dead light, he ain't talk much. Step aside from my left, right, I'm like on one. Never mind when these dogs mush. Days seem normal, but the nights get pretty weird. Trip the wrong light, y'all might get disappeared. I'm in here. I'm in here. Days seem normal, but the nights get pretty weird. Trip the wrong light, y'all might get disappeared. I'm in here. I'm in here. Fall back, black dawn above thorn tracks. These mole rats get dragged off to this golf clap. Bath salts in my black coffee. I'm back talk from that wrong path. Y'all ragdolls, tag-alongs become thumbtack.
He said we got bath salt in his coffee.
In here. Fall back, black dawn above thorn tracks. These mole rats get dragged off to this golf clap. Bath salts in my black coffee. I'm back talk from that wrong path. Y'all ragdolls, tag-alongs become thumbtacks on wall maps. Dreadnought with no false flag. I'm all red cape.
Ragdolls.
Name around senseis.
Bro, oh my goodness, yeah, I'm gonna have to play this over. We're gonna play it over anyways. We're gonna try to listen to it some more on that one.
That steel cage with like 10 ways to steal paint. Field notes in my whetstone and my steel toes and my pet crow. love with no peers. White smoke from both ears. Rain gods that wave wands around biomes. Y'all hold dear. I go so off, it ain't no thing. I make no comment, no job beyond cold-blooded coyote king. Hone in on my smoke rings. Most often I kick rocks where that room tone is all pin drop. Peek into my ethos and go, please hold, I will not. Creep show, we throw snow caps from these nosebleeds. Comfortable around cold facts and unknown seas. Pro mag, I don't sleep. Days seem normal, but the nights get pretty weird. Trip the wrong light, y'all might get disappeared. I'm in here. I'm in here. Days seem normal, but the nights get pretty weird. Trip the wrong light, y'all might get disappeared. I'm in here. I'm in here.
Hey, now I like this. I love this beat right here. Forget it. Here we go again. This time we're
Spin doc, sweet dreams go Hitchcock. Discord with no sick days. Limbs draped and all rips stop. Faded ink on my rib cage. My glass heart, my shit brains. My Jaguars around beautiful New York strip steak. Ain't shit change. Doodle over these blueprints have been shoo-shooed, have been boo-hissed.
Doodle over these blueprints have been shoo-shooed. I've been... What? Blue... What'd he say? Shoo-shooed. I've been...
Rib cage, my glass heart, my shit brains, my Jaguars around beautiful New York strip steak. Ain't shit change. Doodle over these blueprints have been shoo-shooed, have been boo-hissed.
Boo-hissed. What the heck is a boo-hissed? Doodle over these blueprints. The blueprint was like the beat? I don't know. Man, the dude talks so abnormal. It's just like, what the heck, man?
Steak ain't shit change. Doodle over these blueprints have been shoo-shooed, have been boo-hissed. Chewed up, he's too much, I ain't too much, y'all too prim. World's end around curfew.
I like that part right there.
Grotesque forms, sneak up in some mech suit. Make off with their best horse. Roads paved with pull pins. Hood sprayed with wolf piss. Engineer this tire fire, come pull up on that bullshit. I might piece out of my deep freeze and turn pale death in like 2 shakes. Swoop in and get
Turn pale death in like 2 shakes. That mother sucker. Mother sucker.
Tune in my blue phase. This tire fire, come pull up on that bullshit. I might piece out of my deep freeze and turn pale death in like 2 shakes. Swoop in and get 2 shade. Tune in my blue
Swoop in and get 2 shade.
October,
Like 2
blowing
shade.
that cold snap and that wing croon. Trail mix in my road pack and the roads back to this igloo. Stick and move around dead light, he ain't talk much. Step aside from my left, right, I'm like on one. Never mind when these dogs mush. Days seem normal, but the nights get pretty weird. Trip the wrong light, y'all
might get disappeared.
I'm in here. I'm in here. Days seem normal, but the nights get pretty weird. Trip the wrong light, y'all might get disappeared. I'm in here.
I'm gonna disappear after this.
I'm in here.
You're not even gonna see me.
Fall back, black dawn above thorn tracks. These mole rats get dragged off to this golf clap. Bath salts in my black coffee, I'm back talk from that wrong path. Y'all ragdolls, tag-alongs become thumbtacks on wall maps. Dreadnought with no false flag, I'm all
Y'all tag-alongs get... Wait, y'all tag-alongs get...
wrong light, y'all
Like,
might get disappeared.
thumbtacks on
I'm
a
in here.
wall map.
I'm in here. Fall back, black dawn above thorn tracks. These mole rats get dragged off to this golf clap. Bath salts in my black coffee, I'm back talk from that wrong path. Y'all ragdolls, tag-alongs become thumbtacks on wall maps.
Oh, well, dog, y'all tag-alongs become tags, thumbtacks on the wall map. I can't even quote it now, man. How he said that.
Rats get dragged off to this golf clap. Bath salt to my black coffee. I'm back talk from that wrong path.
I'm back talk from that.
Tag-alongs become thumbtacks on wall maps.
Tag-alongs become thumbtacks on wall maps.
My real name around senseis from that steel cage with like 10 ways to steal paint. Field notes in my whetstone and my steel toes and my pet crow. Red phone on sleep mode with Neil rolls with my friend's ghost. Cape wide loud with no peers. White smoke from both ears. Rain gods that wave wands around biomes. Y'all hold dear. I go so off it ain't no thing. I make no comment, no job beyond cold blood, a coyote king. Hone in on my smoke rings. Most often I kick rocks where that room tone is all pin drop. Peek into my ethos and go please hold, I will not. Creep show, we throw snow caps from these nosebleeds. Come I make no comment, no job beyond cold blood, a coyote king. Hone in on my smoke rings. Most often I kick rocks where that room tone is all pin drop. Peek into my ethos and go please hold, I will not. Creep show, we throw snow caps from these nosebleeds. Comfortable around cold backs and unknown seas. Pro mag, I don't sleep. Days seem normal, but the nights get pretty weird. Trip the wrong light, y'all might get disappeared. I'm in here. I'm in here. Days seem normal, but the nights get pretty weird. Trip the wrong light, y'all might get disappeared. I'm in here.
I don't know, man. I'm not even gonna act like I know stuff. That's corny, man. But I don't know, bro. I don't know. I just love listening to Ace, and I'm glad something new came out. And I'm happy just like y'all are. I can't wait for my vinyl. Hey, I got that email this morning. It's on the way. Hey. God dang it, bro. Oh my. Like I said, I'm not gonna act like I know what the heck was said. I'm not. Hey, it's my first time listening to it. Okay. It's been out. I know a bunch of y'all had it on repeat already, and y'all got the junk going. And I'm not even gonna act like I know. The one thing I do know, that order confirmation. Shipping is ready. It's on its way already. Let's go. Yeah. I'm excited for this, yo. I'm really excited for this. I know a lot of y'all are excited for this. This is number 3 on the album, Wolf Piss. That beat was absolutely great. Okay, I could really take that one. Yes, for sure. I love that one. And then we got some more coming up from other stuff on the album. We already got Jazz Hands. Now we got Wolf Piss. That's a really weird title for a track. I'm not gonna lie. Wolf Piss. But hey, I think it's time that I disappear. Oh my goodness. I'm about to be disappeared right now. God dang it. And I'm gonna reappear. Okay, that's enough for me right there. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get to the next one. All right, much love and respect to you and yours. Thank you for being here. If you've been here and watching all this other stuff. Yes, I love you. I do. And I appreciate sugar lag with you back. Greatly appreciate you. Yo, anyways, WaCK out.
Congratulations, you won.